In this video, how to clear these warning lights after fitment, as well as a step-by-step battery replacement with the tools you need and info on the battery size for this vehicle. But unless you have some special skills, you'll need to open the bonnet first using these latches, which you can never find. There's a good reason for disconnecting the negative terminal first, and that's all explained in this video somewhere on the screen. So if you need to, pause this one and go and watch that one first. The hold-down bracket is down here at the base of the battery, which this vehicle didn't have, but it's in the same spot as the TIG one. When installing the new battery, make sure it goes under this lip here. I'll provide some info on this battery a bit later in the video. Once the battery is securely in place, fit the bracket and the positive terminal first. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. If you're wondering what the screwdriver is for, I'll post a link on the screen for mistakes to avoid when installing a car battery, so you know what to do. As for the battery size, the 70 amp hour is mostly used on the diesel engines, but suitable for petrol as well, and the biggest size that will fit here. Now when you start up, you might see a steering wheel warning light, as well as a stability control or traction control warning. To clear it, turn the steering wheel to full lock one side and full lock to the other side. This sets the steering angle sensor. A radio code shouldn't be necessary, but if you have electric windows, you'll need to set the windows, press and hold the button past the second click, and hold it down for another 3 seconds after the window is fully down. Then do the same for closing, and repeat for each window. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.